Hello dear friends, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the base change formula. We'll learn in this tutorial what is a base change formula, its uses or importances and its derivation. So dear guys, let us sit out the formula. The name is the base change formula, or you can say the change of base formula. So let me first discuss the importance of this formula. Suppose you have to find the value of this logarithm. Okay, suppose you have to find the value of log of 10 to the base 2, or you have to find the value of log of 5 to the base 3. Dear guys, we cannot use calculator to evaluate these logarithms, because in calculator you have the base 10 or e. That is, calculator evaluates only those logarithms which have 10 or e as the base. So the problem is how to find the values of these logarithms. Log of 10 to the base 2 or log of 5 to the base 3. So dear guys, for this reason we have the base change formula. The base change formula will help us to evaluate such logarithms. Okay, let's write the base change formula and then we will go for its derivation. The base change formula is log of x to the base a is equal to log of x to the base 10 divided by log of a to the base 10, or you can use log of x to the base e divided by log of a to the base e. So whatever you like you can use. You can use log of x to the base 10 divided by log of a to the base 10, or you can use log of x to the base e. This is, when the base is e, it is called a common logarithm, and when the base is e, when the base is 10, it is called a common logarithm, and when the base is e, it is called a natural logarithm. These logarithms can be evaluated with the help of calculator, because I have already told you the calculator evaluates those logarithms which have 10 or e as the base. So to find the value of log x to the base a, we can use either of these formulas to find the value of log of x to the base a. So let's derive the formula, then I will give an example to elaborate the concept. Okay guys, let's start. Let's take log of x to the base e equal to y. This is a substitution, simply a substitution. Okay, you know that if you have 2 raised power 3 is equal to 8. If you have 2 raised power 3 is equal to 8. You can express this equation in logarithm form. So we can write log of 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. So this is what is actually logarithm. When we have 2 cube is equal to 8, we can write it in logarithm form. Log of 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. Okay, we can revert it in the first expression, that is 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Similarly, you have another example. You have 10 to the power 3 is equal to 1000. So in logarithmic form we can write it log of 1000 to the base 10 is equal to 3. We can revert this expression, 10 to the power 3 is equal to 1000. Okay, similarly we can use this concept over here. Then by definition of logarithm, a to the power y is equal to x. A to the power y is equal to x. Okay, let's now take logarithm on both sides of this equation, but here we'll use the base 10, logarithm to the base 10. Okay, apply logs on both sides, but only to the base 10. So this will be logarithm of a to the power y with the base 10 is equal to logarithm of x with the base 10. Okay, now we'll use the formula log of m to the power n is equal to n log m. So let's use this formula here. will get, so this is further equal to y will come here, y log of a to the base 10 is equal to log of x to the base 10. Okay, now this expression will divide it here, will get okay, y will be equal to, now come over here, y will be equal to log of x to the base 10 divided by log of a to the base 10. Replace the value of y is equal to, we have y is equal to log of x to the base a. So we can write in place of y, I'll write log of x to the base a. Log of x to the base a is equal to log of x to the base 10 divided by log of a to the base 10. So this is the formula. So we have changed the base here. Here the base was a and here the base is 10. So we can evaluate this logarithm with the help of calculator. Here I would like to tell you that if we had taken here the logarithm with the base e, then we'll have got this formula, log of x to the base e divided by log of a to the base e. So here is your choice which base you use. If you use logs to the base 10, then you will get this formula, and if you will use logs to the base e, then you will get this formula. So finally guys, I'll take an example to clear the concept. Okay, suppose we have to find the value of log of 100 to the base 5. So this will be, by the base change formula, this will be log of 100 if we use the base 10 divided by log of 5 to the base 10. So this is the base change formula. Log of 100 to the base 10, log of 5 to the base 10. We can use here log of 100 to the base e, log of 5 to the base e. So this is our choice, whichever we use. Okay, so this will be, you know, log of 100 to the base 10 is equal to 2. Log of 100 to the base 10 is 2, because the same reason follows over here. Because we know, guys, 10 square is equal to 100. 10 square is equal to 100. That means log of 100 to the base 10 will be equal to 2. 10 square is equal to 100. That means log of 100 to the base 10 will be equal to 2. So the value is 2 divided by log of 5 to the base 10. You can use calculator to find the value of log of 5 to the base 10. So the value is 0.698. If we divide 2 by this 0.698, the answer will be 2.865. So this is the use of base change formula, or you can say the change of base formula. This was all about today's this tutorial. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, all the best.